Hello again, and welcome to tutorial 3 entitled Working with PDF Files and Setting Links. I'm going to go ahead and log in. We're going to choose a page to place the hyperlink on. That's going to be the About Us page. I'm going to go ahead and type in the lettering that you want the link to say. Click here to see the file. Probably going to use different terminology, but we'll go ahead and just use that for now. Okay, then you want to actually what we need to do first is upload the file. And to do that, you insert edit image. That's really just a way to get to the image manager, which is also a file manager. And just click this icon here. Then after everything loads, go to upload. Then choose a file. And then we're going to choose the actual PDF file. In this case, it's going to be home maintenance brochure that I've created for a client. Upload server. It goes through the process. It's 2 megabytes, so it should take a little while. Of course, you can watch the progress bar. The bigger the file, the longer it takes. And while we're waiting, notice the file extensions that you can upload. You can upload a GIF, a JPEG, a PNG, a BMP, which are all images, an SWF, which is Flash, MOV, AVI, and MPG, FLV. Those 4 are video files. PDF, which is what we're uploading right now, and it's the most common format for documents. A zip or a RAR file, which are compression types. Those are the only formats. We would offer Word, but viruses can be carried in a Word document, and for your safety as well as the safety of others on the server, we don't allow Word documents. Okay, so once that file's been uploaded, then can see the file here. It says home maint. You can see the rest of it if you move your mouse over it. It's home maintenance brochure web.pdf. It's important when you name your files not to name the files with any special characters. For instance, forward slashes, periods especially, commas, things like that are going to cause problems for some browsers to read the file. So stick with text, numbers, dashes. That's pretty much it. Of course, upper lowercase doesn't matter. Okay, so now what we're going to do is close out of that because we've uploaded our file, and cancel because we didn't actually do any image inserting. Then we want to go ahead and select the text that we want to make the link, the hyperlink, and you'll click on this little icon. It's called Insert and Edit Link. It's just an icon of a chain. So you click on that. Then in the first field where it says Link URL, you click the icon to choose Browse, which you're familiar with by now. Then you choose your file, which in this case it's the home maintenance PDF. We click on that. It shows the path to that file. And then what you can do is choose to make that open in a new window, or you can open in the same window, which I always recommend if you're going to open a PDF to have it open in a new window so that when they close it out, they don't leave your website. So I highly recommend open in new window, which is just the next window, or the second window, drop down window down. Insert, and now that link is active. Go ahead and hit save. And as usual, always have a second tab open to view the front end of the site. Click About Us, and there's the link. And you'll notice down at the bottom left corner, it says the path to the file, so you can kind of confirm it that way. But always click on the link on the front end after you've uploaded, and set your changes just to verify that it works correctly. And it takes a little bit for that file to open. It's a 2 megabyte file, and here it is loading. Everything looks and works fine. Notice there's no back option on that because we made it so that it opened in a new window. So go ahead and close that out, and then we go back to the editor, and that basically concludes the steps for doing that. Now, what if you wanted to have an image? What we do then is we first go to Google and type in the word PDF icon or whatever icon you want. In this case, I'm going to go with a PDF icon. Click on Images, and of course, this is technically not copyright approved, but this icon itself is actually pretty standard, and Acrobat owns the logos, so technically you're promoting them, it's really not a problem. I wouldn't recommend taking any logos and claiming it as your own or anything, but as far as PDFs go, you can do that with this icon. So once you've got the image on the screen, you can save the image as, and then what I always recommend is in shrinking the window down so you can see it. Choose the location where you want the file. I usually have a folder that I put all my images into, and save. And once that's done, then you come back to CuBit and insert image, the browse button as usual, and of course upload, because we have to upload that image now. Choose a file, choose your PDF, and upload to server. Once it's done, close that window, go look for the file, there it is, and insert, and there's the file. Now, if you'll notice, that's very large. So what I recommend doing is either shrinking the file down to the size that you want it to be, and go ahead and save just to see if that looks okay for you. Go ahead and refresh the page, and it looks pretty good. So then we go back to the location, and what you can do is copy the link, or you can just start from scratch like I did before. I'm going to select the link, click on, or select the image, then click on Insert Edit Link, and click Browse, and then choose your PDF. Actually, no, you're choosing the home maintenance file, which may or may not be inside another folder, so you may want to organize all your files inside of a folder. But I'm going to go ahead and click the link and open in new window like I did before, and insert, and that'll do it. And then you go ahead and hit save. Always refresh your page and test it and make sure it works correctly. Now if you don't want that purple outline on it, that's what browsers automatically do. You just select the image, then click the image icon, go to appearance, and set the border to 0, and it will remove that border. And go ahead and save, and refresh your page again, and bam, it's gone. So now you can see the hand comes up whenever you move your mouse over it and shows the link. You click the file and it opens up in a new window just like you set it to. So I'm going to close that out, and then of course I'm done with that, so I'm going to delete it and save the changes. And that concludes this lesson in setting links and uploading PDF files so that you can update your website and have all kinds of documents. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you next time.